Hello everyone. Previously, we went through methods, classes, and objects. Today, we'll be going through the inheritance. So, what is inheritance? Inheritance allows subclasses to inherit properties and behaviors from the superclasses. It also promotes the code reuse, hierarchy, and facilitates complex system design. So, let's understand this with the very basic example. So I'll just come here. Let me right click, hover on new, click on Java class. I'll just give the name inherit example, right? And hit the enter. What we have done here, we have defined the public class name inheritance example. Next, let's define the main method. I'll just give public static void main. I'll just give string and args within this one, right? So initially what I'll do, I'll just define the parent class named animal. I'll just give class animal. After defining the parent class named animal, let's define the public method named eat. So what I'll do, I'll just make use of public void eat. So after this, let's print this animal eats food, right? I'll just make use of the s out. I'll just give this animal eats food. So what we have done, we have defined a parent class named animal. Then we have defined a public method named eat here. Then finally, we have print this animal eats food by making use of s out, right? After this one, let's define a subclass named dog that inherits from animal. Let me comment this one and write for the reference. Define a subclass named dog that inherits from animal, right? So for this, I'll just make use of class dog. Let me give extends animal. Within this, let's define a public method named bar. For this one, I just give public void bar, right? Let me delete this one. Yeah, I'll just print using s out. Let me give the dog barks, right? So after this, what I'll do, within this one, here, I'll just create a new dog object named my dog. Give dog my dog equals new dog. So here what we have done, we have created a new dog object named my dog. Now let's call the eat method from the animal class on my dog. Also, let's call the bark method from the dog class on my dog. I'll just make use of my dog dot eat. Also, my dog dot bark, right? This is it. Everything looks good. So what we are getting here, typo in the inheritance example. So just give me a second here. Let me right click, refactor. Let me give inheritance example. Yes. So basically, it was a typo in the name. So I have just corrected this one. So this looks good. Now let's run the code. Let's wait for some time. So yeah, here you can see this animal eats food as well as the dog barks. So everything is working properly. Next, let's go with the polymorphism. This is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.